Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. Uh, I'm Noman here, and after a long time, it's approx I think 2 to 3 months. I've not put any video in my this channel. So today I'm here with this problem. This is a I think slimline treadmill. This is a card. Now what is the issue? Issue is that uh, customer said that when he power ups the treadmill, there is no display on the treadmill. So I sent my team to check out, and they thought that there is a problem in the MCC control card. So what happened? They bring this card and the panel. Okay. Now when I just power up the card, I checked the voltages over here. I was getting the 12 volts on this orange and pink pin. This means that the card was okay. After that, I just check out this display. I just brought out this display from the plastic casing, and when I just check all the components, all were okay. All I mean resistances and all the diodes and the capacitors all were okay. So I went for the uh, power regulator 78L05. So when I just checked that was short, that is below this on the other side of this board. So I checked that one, that was faulty. So I again replaced that. After that, when I just power up the card, it was on the same stage, no display. So at the last, I went for this crystal oscillator 12 megahertz. So whenever you start a treadmill after a long time, or you are doing shifting, or there is any shock on the card, so normally the crystal goes damage. That's why our display or any kind of display does not show up. So I changed the display. I changed the this segment, this crystal, and when I just changed that, now I'm powering up the circuit. Now I'm giving the power to the circuit to 20 volt AC, and now alhamdulillah you can see that the display is on. I am pressing the start button. 3 2 1. There is a relay latch, and now you can see that there is a bulb glowing up. I am increasing the speed. Now you can see that the bulb is glowing there. I am lowering the speed. Now you can see the bulb is going dimmer. So this was the total problem, a new problem I saw many times, but I thought that the new problem that I haven't uploaded on my channel. So I am today going to upload this. I hope you guys will like it, and if you have any issues, you are living any part of the world, you have any issues, you can just write it down. I will be surely giving you the help. Thank you. Take care.